welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I have a plushie haul for you. I was gonna say plushie fall, plushie haul for you. This is part of my declutter haul series. I hope you enjoy. Now let's hear all about it. I am wearing my plushie hat for this. I have quite a bit of plushie hats, but that will be a different video. If you are unaware, I am doing a haul series where I declutter and show you all of my different type of collections because we're trying to save for a secret trip that's coming up. So that is why I figured I might as well declutter and show you everything that I have and update you on all of my clutter. But let's go ahead and start with plushies. So the first plushie that I grabbed is Sully. I slept with Sully, which is why he is not as soft anymore. I used to sleep with him all the time. He is part of the Bigfoot collection. He is so cute, but he is definitely worn down. My poor Sully. But he is super cute. He has little feet. He used to be a lot softer, little teeth. Just adorable. I'm just grabbing as I go. The next one is Porg. Now, I don't know if he's necessarily a plushie. I would not sleep with this because it is hard. It has hard. But this is a puppet. It opens its wings. Hello. And then its mouth. I love it. I bought this at the outlets. We took it to Star Wars night and he was a big hit for everyone. So, so happy I got him. I think I got like $6, something super cheap, and they still sell him at the park. So I don't know how he made it to the outlets, but he did. The next plushie that I have is this one, which I think is going to be part of the declutter. It was back on the, it was like a event or thing they had. I think it was back during like quarantine times, and I really like it. I really like Epcot. I like the little feet. It reminds me of Jellycat a little bit, but I just don't like the feeling of it, so I never gravitate towards it. I never touch it. I use it as a decoration, but I don't know, I feel like it's just sitting there collecting dust, so it is one that we'll be parting ways with. Next one, sorry, he just like came back with vengeance. I have is Slots. So he's just a little plush. Again, I've got him at the outlets. Oh, the pork's going to bed. I got him at the outlets. Really like him, but again, I don't know what to do with him. I do have quite a bit of lots of stuff already, so I think he's going to be one that I also part ways with. I really like him. He smells like strawberry a little bit still, but yeah, I just don't know. I have, like I said, too many plushies. And then the rest are really small, which is why they're in like a bag. The next up, we have another pork. And this pork is a shoulder buddy. I got this one at Burlington, actually. When Burlington was getting a bunch of Disney merch. I don't know if you remember that. I think it still is, but I just don't go anymore because I don't need more stuff. But this is a shoulder buddy. It has magnetic piece to it. Again, very popular when I go. And now that I'm looking at him, he is not face symmetrical, right? Look at that. Like this way this is a nostril and the mouth, and then this is the eye. This should be over here. I wonder if that's why I was in Burlington. I can't unsee it now. Oh no, I'm sorry, my porgs. I think I can't unsee it. So it might have to be a goner. I have this wishable Donald Duck. I don't really subscribe to wishables because I did not want to collect more stuff. Again, dusting is like, I don't know, my nemesis. So it's good that I'm decluttering. I think Donald will still stay. I really like how grumpy he is, so he is a keeper. We have Sparky. He shouldn't be in this bag. He is just a freebie that I got. But he's not Disney. Okay, and then we have keychains, a lot of keychains, and these are all from parks outside of the US. So these ones actually came from the Disney stores outside of the US. So we have Eeyore for the Year of the Dragon. Super cute, and these little keychains are so popular outside of the US. People wear them all the time, so many of them. And I have more, but I'm just grabbing as I go. I have a Nemo. I actually won this in a giveaway. Heartland Family Adventures, I believe, is who gave it to me. It's been years, actually, or I don't know about years, but it's been a while. I think he is also going to be parting ways with me. I never got into the Nemos because I didn't want to spend money on outfits and all of that. I really like him. He's so cute. Look at him. Can I have more? But it's just not one that I gravitate towards. I have this one from Year of the Dragon. I remember getting it from Shanghai. It was a Starbucks one, so it's one of the few Starbucks things that I kept because I already purchased a lot of that stuff too. But I just really liked him. He's Year of the Dragon. He's a little bear, super cute, and it's one of those like chains. And I think this is a water bottle chain actually. I should put them in my water bottle. I don't know why I don't. Here's another one of the Year of the Dragons. This is Winnie the Pooh. And if you don't know, I got a couple in Japan and a couple in China, and they were cheaper in Japan, so I regretted not buying just all three at the same time. But, you know, while I was thinking about it, finally I decided, let me just do it. So cute. And yes, it does come off, but I think they look cuter with it on. Adorable. Next up we have Groot. He is another shoulder buddy, and the only reason really that I bought this one is because we were the Guardians and people weren't realizing who we were because I did not do green makeup. So once we put him on, people were like, oh, the Guardians, and we're like, yeah. Otherwise it was really hard to tell who we were because we didn't commit 100%. We have Mushu. This is one of those itty bitties from Hallmark. I think I'm gonna get rid of him. Sorry, Mushu. He's super cute. I just don't know where to put him. He still has tags and everything, so I feel like somebody's gonna be really happy to find him. He has the cutest face. I just don't know where to put him. And you're like, all those shelves. Wait until you see the Loungefly haul. I need to fit all of my Loungeflies in here. It's gonna be nearly impossible, so I have to make choices. The next shoulder buddy is the Grinch. He is not Disney, but he is adorable. He's from Universal Studios, so yay, honorable mention. We have an eagle, also not Disney. It's from Canada. I do have this Eeyore. This is from the Disney store in Japan. You can even see the tag. I'm really bad at taking tags off. It's not like I'm gonna ever return him. But I don't know why. I mean, now it's good because now somebody will get him with a tag. Not him, but the other ones. But I'm really bad at it. We have two more. I should call this a shoulder buddy, actually, haul instead of plushies, huh? I feel like it's been more shoulder buddies. We have Hey Hey. So cute. I do want to do like a Moana type of costume, so that's why I got Hey Hey for the future. And I got this one, which I don't know his name. This was an impulse buy at Hong Kong Disney. We were at the World of Frozen, and I really wanted a shoulder buddy at that moment. And now I don't know what to do with it. So now I have it, and I'm like, So I don't know if he'll be a keeper or not. I haven't decided. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my plush haul. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the other hauls. Like I said, I'm doing hats, ears, bags, whatever I can think of. Anything that you want to see, let me know in the comments. If you want any tip videos, let me know as well, because I will also be doing those. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see that mystery trip we're going to, hopefully. And yeah, I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.